If we want to determine the relative density of a substance and we don't have information on the density and of course density of equal volume of water, we can still use the following equations to determine relative density. Relative density of any substance is equal to the mass of the substance divided by the mass of an equal volume of water. We can also use the third one, relative density of substance equals the weight of the substance divided by weight of water of equal volume.